So this is the best alternative to Mailchimp and GetResponse without monthly subscription. So this is Engine Mailer, and you can find the whole tutorial on step by step on how to use this. But before that, let's see some of the features of this email marketing tool. So with this email marketing tool called Engine Mailer, you can manage, create, deliver, and track your email marketing business. So with managing, you can add, filter, and organize your subscribers and email list in one simple dashboard. You see, in addition to that, you can create and build beautiful campaigns, landing pages, lead capture form for your brand. You see, with this tool, you can build your landing page and also lead capture form that you will use to collect emails, and you don't need to subscribe every month. You see, also with the AI embedded in this tool, you can personalize, target, and send right emails to the right people at the right time. So this Engine Mailer comes with that feature of delivering personalize and target emails to the right people at the right time. You can also monitor your campaigns and landing pages and find out how they are doing. So if you want to have access to this, make sure that you check out the link in description to see the full tutorial on how this Engine Mailer works. So with this, you can manage contacts, engage them, and also grow your business with this powerful email marketing tool. So this is perfect for freelancers, small businesses, and also enterprises. So this is how you can easily manage your contacts. So you can easily upload even from other email marketing tools, segment and organize your contact for better targeting while streamlining your process flow with various APIs. So you can also design engaging marketing campaign, creating stunning email campaigns, landing pages, and lead capture form that reflect your brand and engage with your audience. So this is very crucial, especially when it comes to collecting your emails. So, and also when it comes to creating those email, the subjects, this will help you in coming up with the right subjects and email to send to your email list. And also you can track your results. You can see how your campaigns are performing. And last but not least, you have a tons of templates that you can customize, and this comes in hundreds, and you can send an up to 70,000 emails per month. You see, so if you want to get started for free, make sure that you check out the link in the description, and also you will have access to this tutorial on how you can use this tool.